Hey, I just want to go over your first milestone with you. This is going to be your concept paper. You are working on this concept paper throughout the entire term. And what I have up here is the official SNHU Milestone One assignment. So first of all, remember you are doing this to get feedback from me, and it is full points or no points for the submission. So basically, the more effort you put into this first assignment, the less work you're going to have later on. So what you're doing is you're selecting one Eastern religion, one Abrahamic religion, and you're going to start researching these. So you're going to be addressing an existential question and the afterlife. And you're supposed to be doing a one-page sketch of the ways that these two religions that you have chosen address existential questions and the afterlife. So what I've done for your announcement is I sort of gave you a rundown of, first of all, your Abrahamic religions over here and your Eastern religions. So you're choosing one from each one of these categories. And then you need to go over the existential questions. So those are questions about the origin and significance of human life. And of course, you need to cover the afterlife. And you can also cover interactions between the divine and the mortal. So this is where you're going to be deciding where you want to have your paper go, your direction. And I gave you here a rundown of the different types of religions and the way that they're answering the questions. Obviously, I'm giving you a very small description here just to get you started. And I also gave you a little bit of a rundown of what I'm really looking for. Now, obviously, this is more than a page, so I'm trying to include more information than what is necessary just to get you guys thinking, because the more research you do early on, the less you have to do later on. And no one wants to stay up late at night trying to finish up a paper. Okay? One thing is, at the very end, you will need 6 to 8 scholarly peer-reviewed resources. So please keep track of all the resources that you're using. If you want to create a Word document and just have all those sources, do a insert a page at the very end. And you're either going to be doing APA or MLA. Traditionally, APA is for psychology majors. MLA is what we use. However, SNHU as a whole tends to use APA. I accept either or. And I also included a few links down here to help you out as well. And if you have any questions, please let me know.